Okay, I'm back with another video to show you a few of the engines I've done. This is one of my favorites. It's up on eBay right now. It's an MP15-AC, ex-Milwaukee Road, Sioux 1562. As you can see, it's nicely faded, rusted. This has sound, working beacon, works on DC too, as well as DCC. There's a shot of the back. The other side. This unit really came out good. See the patch is slightly fading. Next we have a GP40-2LW 509 Guilford rail system, or Pan Am. This one's faded down, grimy, a little bit of sand spillage. Top shot. Spin it for you. Shot of the other side, the front. That one came out good. Then we have a CSX MP15-DC. This one's been done lately. The wheels are done up more. The back a little bit, as you can see. Came out pretty good. Then I got one more, not a unit, but tank car, one of those clay slurry cars. Done. Now, a little rusted on the top, ladders, wheels. Thank you for looking.